you have an older truck, this is a 2019, and are you tired of plugging into the damn things? Let's get rid of that. So this is the ultimate CoPilot, and I'm going to show you real quick what it does. You open the box and you've got the CoPilot, and then you also have this USB to C adapter, depending for what you have over here, right? So this is the whole thing. It's that simple. It's tiny. So you have this little USB, and it's got the Bluetooth Wi-Fi thing right there, and that plugs in right there. Comes with the manual in color, explains everything. This is not hard. So you do have to look for this symbol. If it's the other symbol, this won't work. It needs power, and you can see that it's on, and this is immediately what popped up. And so I had to go to my Bluetooth, turn my Bluetooth on, do a pair. It does a pairing code, so you have some security there, and then boom, it just pops up. So I can do whatever I want, and it's connected to my phone. This is going straight to my phone, and I don't have to plug in anymore. This is so friggin' awesome. I love this.